Mastering algorithms through visual learning and interactive tutorials. In today's fast-paced world of software development, mastering algorithms is crucial for programmers at every skill level. The traditional approach of reading textbooks or watching static videos often falls short when trying to grasp complex concepts like dynamic programming or graph traversal. At Algohay, we believe in making algorithm learning an engaging experience through visualizations and interactive tutorials that bring abstract ideas to life. This guide will explore how these innovative teaching methods can transform your understanding of data structures and algorithmic problem-solving techniques. The power of visualization in algorithm learning. Visualization transforms abstract mathematical concepts into tangible experiences that our brains can process intuitively. When studying sorting algorithms, seeing the actual swaps happening between elements makes it easier to understand time complexity differences between bubble sort and quicksort. Interactive diagrams allow learners to manipulate variables in real time and observe immediate results. For instance, adjusting the pivot selection strategy in quicksort visualization lets you see how different choices affect partitioning efficiency. Research from Stanford University shows that students who used visual aids retained 80% more information compared to those relying solely on text-based resources. This retention rate increases even further when combined with hands-on coding exercises. Bubble sort, a simple comparison-based algorithm where adjacent elements are swapped until the array is sorted. Merge sort divides arrays recursively into halves before merging them back together using a divide-and-conquer approach. Quicksort selects a pivot element and partitions the array around it, creating two subarrays that get sorted independently. Heap sort utilizes a binary heap data structure to repeatedly extract the minimum or maximum element. These visual representations help identify patterns in algorithm behavior that might be difficult to perceive from code alone. Seeing the step-by-step execution of depth-first search, DFS, reveals how recursion works in traversing tree structures. Animated demonstrations also highlight edge cases that aren't always apparent in written descriptions. Watching a binary search tree insertion animation clearly shows what happens during rotation operations when balancing is required. Building your algorithm knowledge base. Creating a structured approach to algorithm study ensures steady progress without feeling overwhelmed by the vast amount of material available online. Begin with fundamental data structures before moving on to advanced algorithmic paradigms. Data structures form the foundation upon which most algorithms operate. Understanding trees, graphs, stacks, queues, and hash tables enables better comprehension of how various algorithms function within their respective contexts. A systematic method could involve starting with basic sorting algorithms, then progressing to searching algorithms, followed by graph algorithms, and finally tackling machine learning optimization techniques. Practice problems reinforce theoretical knowledge by requiring application of learned concepts under pressure. Online platforms offer curated sets of problems categorized by difficulty levels ranging from beginner-friendly challenges to competition-style puzzles. Solving LeetCode medium-level questions helps develop pattern recognition skills necessary for recognizing common algorithm templates across different problem domains. Consistent practice builds muscle memory for implementing standard solutions quickly during interviews or competitions. It also improves debugging abilities as you become familiar with typical error scenarios encountered while writing algorithmic code. Fundamental sorting algorithms. Explained visually. Sorting algorithms organize data efficiently, forming a critical component of many applications. Visualizing these processes exposes internal mechanics that may remain hidden behind implementation details. Bubble sort demonstrates the simplest way to sort elements but suffers from poor performance characteristics. Its O(n) superscript 2 time complexity becomes evident when observing repeated comparisons between neighboring elements. Insertion sort functions similarly to how people manually sort playing cards. It gradually constructs a sorted list by inserting each new element into its correct position within the already sorted portion. Selection sort maintains a slightly better average case performance than bubble sort by minimizing swap operations. However, it still exhibits quadratic time complexity overall. Understanding when to apply each sorting technique depends heavily on input size and dataset properties. Real-world implementations often choose optimized versions rather than textbook implementations. Heap sort offers improved worst-case performance over other comparison-based sorts. Visualizing the heap restructuring process clarifies how the algorithm maintains partial ordering throughout execution. Quicksort demonstrates optimal average case performance but requires careful handling due to potential worst-case scenarios. Observing pivot selection strategies highlights why randomized quicksort variants perform better in practical situations. Searching algorithms and their implementation patterns. Efficient search algorithms enable rapid data retrieval, forming another essential pillar of algorithm design. Visual representations reveal underlying principles governing different search methodologies. Linear search sequentially examines elements until finding a match, making it suitable for unsorted datasets despite its time complexity. Animated walkthroughs demonstrate this straightforward yet inefficient approach. Binary search operates exclusively on sorted arrays, leveraging divide-and-conquer principles to eliminate half of remaining possibilities after each iteration. Watch the search space shrink progressively with each midpoint calculation. Hash table lookups provide near-instantaneous access times, assuming good distribution of keys among buckets. Visualizations show collisions being resolved through chaining or open addressing mechanisms. Tree structures excel at prefix searches, particularly useful for auto-completion features found in modern web interfaces. Animated demonstrations illustrate node creation and traversal paths. Graph search algorithms like BFS and DFS serve distinct purposes depending on application requirements. Witness how breadth-first explores nodes layer by layer versus depth-first's recursive exploration style. For sparse matrices represented as adjacency lists, iterative deepening depth-first search provides optimal space utilization while maintaining reasonable time complexity bounds. Graph traversal techniques and pathfinding algorithms. Graph algorithms underpin numerous applications including social network analysis, route optimization, and recommendation systems. Visualizing these algorithms enhances conceptual understanding significantly. Breadth-first search systematically explores nodes at increasing distances from the start vertex. See how queue management dictates the order of node visits during traversal. Depth-first search dives deeply along each branch before backtracking, revealing natural connections within complex networks. Observe stack operations controlling the search path dynamically. Dijkstra's algorithm finds shortest paths in weighted graphs using greedy approaches. Watch priority queues determine next steps based on accumulated costs. ** search combines heuristic estimates with Dijkstra's methodology for efficient pathfinding. Visualize how heuristics influence direction towards target nodes. Bellman-Ford detects negative weight cycles while computing shortest paths. Track distance updates propagating through entire graph structures iteratively. Kruskal's and Prim's algorithms construct minimal spanning trees differently. Compare union find operations in Kruskal's versus greedy edge selection in Prim's. Approaches. Dynamic programming mastery through pattern recognition. Dynamic programming solves optimization problems by breaking them down into overlapping subproblems. Visualizations expose recurrence relations that define solution pathways effectively. Fibonacci sequence calculations showcase overlapping subproblem issues inherent in naive recursive approaches. Trace memoization reducing redundant computations dramatically. The knapsack problem illustrates trade-offs between item values and weights. Animated demonstrations display how subsets accumulate value while respecting capacity constraints. Edit distance measures similarity between strings via insertions, deletions, or substitutions. Watch alignment grids update as optimal transformations unfold. Longest common subsequence identifies shared sequences between texts. Matrix fillings reveal how matching characters propagate best solutions forward. Matrix chain multiplication optimizes parenthesization orders. Visual timelines track cost reductions achieved through strategic grouping decisions. Greedy algorithms and their applications. Greedy algorithms make locally optimal choices aiming for global optimums. Visualizations clarify decision-making processes that distinguish successful implementations from failures. Huffman coding compresses data using frequency-based encoding schemes. Witness priority queues constructing optimal binary trees incrementally. Activity selection chooses non-overlapping events maximizing total participation. Timeline animations demonstrate how earliest finish times lead to optimal selections. Minimum spanning trees benefit from greedy strategies selecting least cost edges first. Kruskal's and Prim's algorithms differ in implementation but share this core principle. Job scheduling prioritizes tasks based on deadlines or profits. Gantt chart visualizations show how greedy choices align with scheduling constraints effectively. Coin change problems demonstrate greedy pitfalls when denominations lack certain properties. Contrast greedy approaches with dynamic programming solutions highlighting limitations. Advanced data structures and algorithm optimization. Optimizing algorithm performance demands understanding advanced data structures beyond basic arrays and linked lists. These tools enable more sophisticated solutions to challenging computational problems. Segment trees facilitate range queries and updates efficiently. Watch interval decompositions accelerate query responses significantly compared to brute force alternatives. Binary index trees, Fenwick trees, maintain cumulative sums with logarithmic complexity. Animated examples show point updates affecting relevant segments automatically. Disjoint set union, DSU, structures manage connected components effectively. Path compression optimizations drastically reduce find operation latencies. Radix sort exploits digit positions for linear time sorting. Demonstrations reveal how counting sort applies to individual digits sequentially. Rolling hash techniques enable substring searches in linear time. Visualizations trace polynomial evaluations as window slides across text inputs. Algorithm design paradigms and problem-solving strategies. Recognizing appropriate algorithm design paradigms streamlines problem-solving. Each paradigm addresses particular types of challenges more effectively than others. Divide and conquer splits problems into smaller subproblems. Merge sort exemplifies this approach by dividing arrays before merging ordered portions. Backtracking explores possible solutions through recursive trials. Sudoku solvers demonstrate pruning strategies eliminating invalid configurations early. Branch N-bound extends backtracking by estimating lower bounds. Traveling salesman problems benefit from such estimation techniques to prune unpromising branches. Randomized algorithms introduce probabilistic elements for faster solutions. Quick selects expected linear runtime contrasts with deterministic approaches. Online algorithms handle sequential requests without knowing future inputs. Cache replacement policies like Bilaty's algorithm demonstrate optimal strategies theoretically. Preparing for technical interviews with algorithm practice. Technical interviews demand proficiency in both implementing and explaining algorithms clearly. Strategic preparation maximizes chances of success against time pressures. Reviewing classic interview questions helps build confidence in solving unfamiliar problems rapidly. Focus areas include array manipulation, string processing, and tree operations. Timing yourself while practicing common algorithms reinforces speed and accuracy under duress. Note any recurring mistakes to address weak spots proactively. Writing clean, well-documented code demonstrates strong communication skills alongside technical ability. Comments should explain complex logic rather than merely restating obvious steps. Whiteboard sessions simulate real interview environments accurately. Practicing articulation of thought processes improves clarity during verbal explanations. Studying commonly asked follow-up questions prepares candidates for deeper probing into implementation details or alternative solutions. Conclusion: this guide has explored how visual learning enhances algorithm comprehension through animated tutorials and interactive simulations. By combining theory with practical experimentation, learners can achieve deeper understanding of complex topics. To maximize benefits from these resources, establish regular study routines incorporating visualization tools alongside traditional coding exercises. Remember that mastery comes through consistent effort rather than sudden insight.